Eating clean is just hard. Processed food is everywhere and hard to completely get away from. Add to that prescription drugs, alcohol, clogging starchy foods, and it's not too hard to understand how easy it is to overwhelm your body's natural detoxification system. This is when you need to step up and do some cleansing to help with the load of this overall toxic burden. Super Cleanse promotes deep internal cleansing. Cascara sagrada, fennel seed, licorice, ginger, and slippery elm nourish, stimulate, and cleanse the lower intestinal tract to support your body's natural detoxification process. More than just a simple cleansing formula, Super Cleanse helps flush toxins out of your intestines while supporting colon health and digestion. Experience the refreshing rejuvenation of whole body wellness with nature's secret Super Cleanse.